Hello, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How are you today?
I am very well. Where are you calling from?
I am from India. Where are you from?
I am from the United States, but I live in Mexico.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Jason, and what is your name?
My name is Ceci.
Ceci?
Yes.
Ceci. Okay. What would you like to talk about today?
I want to talk about improve my English.
Okay. And
I want to know how to improve vocabulary.
how vocabulary. Okay. So one thing that you can do is um, let's say you have a word like special. Okay, let's go with the word special. Um, if you go online, let me go. Let's see, online thesaurus. Okay, so if we say special, okay, so I'm going to send you a link
Okay.
here. Paste. So there's a website called
Okay.
thesaurus.com and dictionary.com. So thesaurus, if you put in the word special, um, special, there's synonyms for memorable,
Okay.
um, extraordinary. So this is a way that you can take a simple word and make it broader. So if we take a word like, uh, let's say, eating, uh, for eating you have chewing, biting, devouring, munching, um, feasting on, feeding on, gorging on, pigging out, having a meal. So you can take a simple word and put it in to this website, and then you can come up with other ways of saying
There are a lot
things
of
that you want to
similar
say.
words.
Yes.
Yes. How to remember and how to I practice.
So what I would
Oh,
do is I would save that website to your
okay.
favorites. It's thesaurus.com. So I'll send you the link without the word. So it's just thesaurus.com.
Okay.
And then at the top, it says synonyms
Okay.
and then definitions.
Okay.
So if you just are trying to figure out a word, let's say you're reading a book in English and you're wondering what that word means, it will tell you what that means.
Okay.
It will tell you in English, but it will still tell you, and you might recognize a simpler word than the word that they're giving you.
Yes.
Also, another thing you can do is you can watch, do you like movies?
No, I don't have much time to watch movies. I watch
Oh,
YouTube,
okay.
YouTube
Okay.
channel.
Um, because sometimes uh, I will watch movies I'm trying